Hello and welcome back to this channel. Instead of doing part 3 of building the aquaponics, we're just going to be doing an update, just talking about the progress on everything, all the germination in the germination room, all the plants that are growing behind me, and a lot of updates with the strawberries. There's a lot to talk about in today's video. I probably will not be talking about the aquaponics a ton, so it's more of a surprise for the series and all the parts of that series. So I'm just going to be pretty much talking about all of this. So before we start, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss our video. Please like this video. Let's go and start today's video. Well, first of all, it is a mess. A lot of cleaning up to do once the aquaponics system is done. So pretty much everything that's happening in here is we have a lot of growth. We ended up getting rid of a lot of stuff a few days ago. I think it was last Wednesday maybe when we got rid of it all. So we got a ton of oregano. The oregano's definitely doing a lot better than the first time we grew it. But oregano's just grows slowly. It is known to grow very slowly like this. So it'll be interesting to see if if it grows faster in the hydroponics or what happens with that. The basil, I feel like the plants are starting to die. I feel like there's too many roots in the actual soil. And the plants can't grow anymore. So I really feel like, and a lot of the leaves are just starting to turn a lot darker, more brown, and just starting to die. So I'm not very good with that, but we'll probably have to get rid of that very soon. Then let's just go down really quick. We have bunching onions right here. We've had a lot of trouble germinating these, but we ended up deciding, you know what? Let's just throw a ton of water in it to keep it just moist and stuff like that. The cardboard will get pretty gross. I'm not looking forward to cleaning that or getting the plants out of it. So that'll be interesting. Then we have a ton of strawberries right here. The strawberries are doing absolutely phenomenal. They're doing so good. Then we have rosemary. The rosemary is actually doing really good too. Very, very excited to work with that this summer. But the only thing that I'm not very excited about is rosemary grows insanely slowly, so it's gonna be a very long few weeks, and that might be some mold starting to form right there actually. But yeah, so a lot of great things to look forward to. Strawberries, or not strawberries, the flowers and herb, not looking good at all. I will probably just go ahead and get rid of this. I really feel like the plants need nutrients, and that's something I really screwed up on and did not give the plants any nutrients at all. The only thing they have is water and light to live off of, which is not good because one of the most important things is nutrients for the plant to be as healthy as possible. Then going over here, this used to be, well, when we first did this, it was beautiful, really cool to look at. Now it's more of like a forest, more of a mess and cool. But at the end of the day, there's still a lot of fantastic stuff happening here. Even though it just looks like a huge mess of plants, there's a ton of awesome stuff. There's some dead lavender. Didn't really realize that looked like that. We have a lot of strawberries. The strawberries is doing absolutely phenomenal. Just check out those roots. Wow. The parsley. Wow. The parsley is like vines. Well, there's that. It's kind of just parsley. It's kind of mixed throughout those 3 pots. Wow, this plant's going good. You can see all those new leaves starting to, and the leaves look extremely healthy. That's really, really good. Really exciting. Kind of going back up here, these are our lettuce plants for the hydroponics. Now, I was really hoping to have these in the hydroponics 2 days ago. That's why they look a little overgrown, so it's going to be a little hard to put them in the pods, but at the end of the day, they still look really good. And I feel like they should be able to last till tomorrow, because hopefully all the equipment we're waiting on will show up tomorrow. Now, this is a mess. So, we have a lot going on here. As you can see, the plants aren't looking very good anymore. So, really, once that strawberry turns red, I'm going to go ahead and cut all the plants off. You know what? I should probably just go ahead and do that now to just save the plants, because to be honest, the leaves aren't looking good, and it looks like they're going into hibernation. So a lot of problems with that. So you know what, I actually might go ahead and take the other plants off, even though the strawberries do look good. It's just too early. That's how the plants will look once they are just being overworked. Really, the plants need that put out a lot more roots. But I'll probably take this off. I'll probably take some of this off. This definitely needs to go off. I might take this off, but I think I'm just gonna cut those strawberries off, that strawberry off, and keep this because this is looking really good and it's very close to turning red. And then I might go through it pretty quick and try to take out as many flowers as possible, just to take the stress off the plants for now and let them just grow for a few more months, and then just let them do their thing and just grow the strawberries. We're also growing tomatoes in those darker pots. I think I covered, nope, I did not. We have one other shelf left. We have the strawberries. This is so incredibly exciting because the strawberries, I took off the seeds, I took off the strawberries, ended up germinating. The soil is very, very soggy, very wet, but that is still fine. Ton of strawberries throughout here, which is absolutely so incredible. So happy about that. We have the testing, whatever this is called, basil plant. The testing basil plant, that's what it's called. I'm just gonna kind of do a sweep over the aquaponics very quickly and do an update of everything we've done. So pretty much, we've done the biofilter, we've done all the rocks. We're gonna put in all the plants, and then we realized there's not enough rocks to cover up the bottom of the plants without them either just kind of floating over, just starting to float. So some problems in that area, so we just ordered a lot more rocks, which hopefully will get here, well, the day this video posts, I guess. But the problem is, I built the biofilter, and the biofilter is not going to work. It's too weak. It's just not going to work. So some problems in there. We also added 3 grow lights on each one. That's pretty much all I'm going to be talking about for the aquaponics for now. So if you guys want to hear more about that, please check out those the series on that. So far we have 2 videos out as of when this video posts. Pretty much the day after this video posts, part 3 will come out, hopefully. Can't guarantee it, but hopefully if everything can arrive tomorrow, then it'll 100% come out. We might do part 4 depending on how much we get done, but yeah, so let's go on into the germinating room and let's see the progress. Alright, so we have a lot of stuff germinating right now. This is an absolute mess. This is our tomatoes. To be honest, I am really disappointed I was not able to get these. Well, I might go ahead and put these in the grow lights, actually. I might consider it. But there's a lot of pots to put there. We have oregano. The oregano is looking pretty good. Then we have peppermint. Peppermint is the only thing not germinating, or I don't see any roots germinating yet. So very disappointed about that. Here's the parsley. The parsley is looking really good too. Very, very excited about that. And then we got 2 more plants. This is cilantro. The cilantro is looking pretty crazy right now. And then the last one is going to be basil. Basil was the last thing to start, and the basil is looking very, very good. I think the plan for growing it in the aquaponics is I'm going to fully grow it, never take off any leaves unless I need to. And then once I harvest the plant, once I harvest the leaves, I'm just going to take the entire plant off and replace it with a brand new plant. And then in that case, the plant won't get too big, and the plant will be very healthy once I actually do take it off the system. So yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on a video, and please like this video. I really just want to give a second to thank you all for watching this video and spending your time today to support this channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.